Hey there folks, welcome to the Auto Universe. Now folks, if you have seen those videos or footage of the Lexus IS versus the Audi A3 crashing against the wall, both of those cars looks terrible after the crash. But that isn't going to be enough to determine which one is better. Which is why we are going to give you the analysis of those crash tests. But before we jump into the analysis, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Now, let's just get right into the analysis. The Lexus IS versus the Audi A3. Now, on a quick glance, you just can't really see the difference of these cars. The design proportions is so similar that it's quite hard to differentiate these cars on a first glance. But if you know and you know that these cars' only destiny is to rival each other. Both of these cars have a good driving dynamics. Both of these cars are good looking. Both of these cars offer all the tech and features that you want, and both of these cars offer the same level of luxury. But in terms of crash test performance, I guess we'll see how these cars will do. As usual, we also uses the same crash test report from the IIHS organizations, starting from the top. As you can see here folks, both of these cars in terms of crashworthiness earns a good score overall, which is similar, and then on the crash avoidance and mitigations also earns an acceptable score and a superior score, and that brought us to the conclusion. The conclusion is both of these cars are basically the same, as what I said earlier. It's really hard to differentiate these cars, even on a crash test performance. These cars basically performs the same. So there you have it folks, the Lexus IS versus the Audi A3. If you have requests on any car that you want to see the comparison of, let me know by leaving a comment down below. See ya folks!